Best countries to study abroad after FSC or BS, scholarships and... Hey everyone! Waving hand. If you've just completed your FSC or bachelor's degree, and you dream about studying abroad, this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to tell you about the best countries where you can study for free or on full scholarships, even if you come from a middle-class family. So stay with me till the end. Maybe your dream country is on this list. Globe showing Europe, Africa sparkles. Germany. Let's start with Germany. Germany is one of the best countries in the world for higher education. Here's the good news. Most public universities in Germany charge no tuition fees at all. Graduation cap. You just have to pay a small semester fee, around 100 to 300 euros, which even includes transportation. German universities are world famous for engineering, medicine, computer science, and natural sciences. You can apply after FSC for foundation programs or directly after your BS for masters. Just learn some basic German language and you're good to go. Germany. Turkey. Next is Turkey. Turkey has become one of the top study destinations for Pakistani students because of the Turkey Bursary scholarships. These scholarships are fully funded. They cover tuition, hostel, health insurance, and even monthly pocket money. You can apply right after FSC for bachelor's programs or after BS for master's or PhD. The environment is friendly, the education quality is high, and yes, Turkey feels like a second home for many students. Turkey. USA, United States. Now let's talk about the United States, the dream of millions of students. Studying in the USA is expensive, but it also offers the highest number of scholarships in the world. If you have good grades and English skills, you can apply for Fulbright scholarships, Global UGrad, or university-based scholarships. You'll need to take tests like SAT, TOEFL, or IELTS, but the reward is worth it. Top-ranked universities, world-class research, and career opportunities after graduated. United Kingdom. The UK is another amazing option. If you've completed your BS, you can apply for Chevening or Commonwealth scholarships. Both are fully funded by the UK government. They cover your tuition, travel, living expenses, everything. Plus, the degree duration is short. Most master's degrees in the UK are just 1 year long. United Kingdom. China. Now let's move to China, a country that offers hundreds of scholarships every year for Pakistani students through the CSC scholarship. Chinese universities are advanced, research-focused, and affordable. Many students go there for MBBS, engineering, IT, and business degrees. The cost of living is also much lower than in Western countries. China. Hungary. One more hidden gem is Hungary. The Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship is one of the best options.